and today we are doing a slime collection. So we have like all of our slimes here. Most of them are mine because and some of them are mine because I misplaced them. So she has, you know. So we can go first. Okay. Yay! So wait. I want to pick this one. So guys, this one I made today, and this one's mine. I'm just telling you, this one's mine. I put a lot of glitter into it. You can see it. And it's green fluffy slime, but it's actually getting really hard. So yeah. And my turn. I'm gonna pick this thinking putty I got last year for Easter. This is a hyper color, and this is like an amethyst blush. It used to be purple, but I think she mixed it up with my putty, a magnetic putty, and you're only supposed to like mix it in with like another one of those hyper colors. And you could already see closely. You could see that like, what do you call it again? Holographic golden like niche in the purple. And as I said, it was very stretchy. And look at now. It's kind of hard, but it's so
yeah, because guys, she kind of messed it up. She was supposed to mix it up with the same one, but different color. But instead, she colored it with my putty. That was golden and was magnetic. So yeah, that's why it's not that stretchy.
This one was mine.
Yeah,
that's hers.
This one is my other slime.
That's mine.
No.
Oh wait, no, it's not.
And it's I got this from Christmas. If you would see from the Christmas video, you might recognize these stuff inside of it, and you might also recognize it because of this symbol. So yeah.
And this is my poopsie slime. They're not very slimy. They're just like liquidy, but
guys, and they're melting.
There's one of them. If you just touch it like that, it won't stick to your fingers. This one's like a shimmer. This one's a shimmer slime. It's blue. This one's a like, I forgot, but it's purple. Very gooey.
I like that one.
I'm gonna skip this part from the end because it's a surprise. This one's a hard one, which is very gooey. And this one actually turned out not that bad because it didn't turn out as like gooey. And yeah, this one was mine.
Okay, my other one is this one. So I made this like a couple days ago. Yeah, a couple days ago, and we put it in this container. It's purple. It's dark purple, and if you won't be able to see, I put some purple glitter. And it's not that stretchy, and it's really, really wet.
This is Nathie's green slime. She usually puts only 3 decorations in these slimes.
That's what happens to
So
this.
she put foam, Mod Podge, and glitter in this one. And the slime kit came with like about a little decorations. She put a rainbow on it. And it comes with dinosaurs, lollipops, and
Guys, by accident I broke the lollipop. Okay, my turn. This is Bella's Poopsie, and I don't really know. It's gooey. Open it, because my hand looks too.
It's very gooey.
And it's pink, and it's gooey.
It smells. The smell's not what I expected. So, and I can't smell.
The cap's cute.
I'm pretty ashamed of this one. I'm pretty ashamed. Okay, I'm just going to open them all at once. So.
Okay.
These are all the slime.
These are all the slime. It's cute. It's wet. Ah. I tried making them, but they're hard now. So, this is mine. I made this.
And this is Bella's.
I wanted to do that.
Bella. And this is Bella's blue slime. She made it like a couple of days ago. This one, actually, my mom made it. And this, and this one is blue, and I like it because it's really blue, and it's super easy to make a bubble with it. The other one, not so sure.
This one, it's the same thing as this one,
but different.
Yeah, this is mine, and mine's a bit more stretchier. And I put a whole bag of stars in it. It's hard to see.
A whole bag? Think about that. Amazing.
And it's fluffy slime. And I used like a whole bottle and a half a bottle with another one. And this is how far it goes. So that's one I need.
And this one is my, I think this color is like a magenta.
Purple.
It doesn't look like purple. And I also got this for Christmas. And I put foam, yeah, and glitter. And it's also really sticky.
And here's another slime. This one's mine, and it's a Christmas color. And I named mine, and this one is called Christmas. And I got this one for Christmas.
And the last one is dried. Guys, it's the same one as this one.
That one's mine.
But it's dried, and
I was going to make slime with that, but it dried, so.
okay,
So we have a lot of slimes. They're drying up. So we throw them away and we recycle the containers and use them for another slime.
guys, look what I made with all the slimes.
Here's mine.
I stacked them up.
Here's mine. And on Friday we wanted to make a video, but we couldn't
Because I had an appointment for my leg at the children's hospital.
And we went to the waiting area and we took some clips, which we're going to show you at the end of this video.
So don't turn it off.
And we're just going to tell you some of the things we saw. So one of the things we saw was a huge machine.
And there was these balls, and there was this hanger, and it take the balls up, and
like a lever.
And then when it got to the top, there was this like, thing, and then the balls dropped, and then it moved, and then there's these pictures of animals, and then when the ball always moves on top of the animals, it's like, and another amazing thing is that they were selling books for free. You might notice that in the clip. And we got some books. I got Today I Will Fly.
Well, they weren't selling. It was for free. So if they were for free, they're not selling. So it's like one free book per children. And I got Treasure Island, a middle school level, and I'm on page 5. And so far it's really good. And at the back it says, yo ho ho, a dead man's chest and a bottle of rum. So guys, as we said earlier, we are going to put the clips at the end of the video, and that's the end of the video. And don't forget to subscribe,
Give us a big thumbs up.
hit those notification buttons so you could be like reminded every time we post a video. And we'll see you on our next video. Bye!
So I'm at the children's hospital because of my appointment, and guess what they have? They have these activities. I don't know what that's for. And they also have a television. There's even a machine right there, and it's so cool.
And they have books.
And they have books. I got Today I Will Fly.
And they're free.
No,
and
what are
it's
books?
one per child, right?
And guys, I got Treasure Island by Robert Louis Stevenson. And yeah, there's a view and it's so high.
We're at Portland.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Guys, I watched a movie of this Treasure Island at my school, in my classroom, and I also did a play of it, and I was bang good.
Guys, when I look down here, I feel like I'm gonna fall.
And the pages are golden.
That's what's so cute. Look at these little children. Look at those feet. They're supposed to be platypus. There's even a stone right here.
Dude, that's right.
How do I look? Clack, clack.
And this area is called Color Play.
Guys, look.
You can create.
You could create your monster.
Yeah.
Guys, which one fits? This one or this one? And guys, look at those things. They have this amazing chalkboard.
It's not a chalkboard, so it's a touch and see, like pad or screen.
And guys, whenever you touch it, it changes colors and it fades away.
It depends on how much you rub it. So if you want to see like super dark, you have to rub it a lot like that, and it disappears super easily. And guys, you might want to see this.
Yeah. It's so cool. Look at the ball too.
It's like a machine. So this elevator picks it up by like this finger shift. It's like a lever or a pulley.
Look.
A lever or a pulley, and it goes everywhere, and it can pass the doll.
Then it stops.
There it goes. Some of them fell on the ground. So.
Because, well, they didn't make it.
I think that is a touch, right?
Oh yeah, I think that's.
It's a touch. It's a touch.
What does it make?
It makes nothing. You can draw your own thing.
Oh yeah, guys, look. This is the amazing part.
I gotta draw my own thing.
This is me, guys. I'm drawing the sun.
It disappeared very soon. And guys, here are the books. And the children, and that's good because they're promoting reading. These are some of the babysitter books, club books, and I like these books. I just never got to read them. And
So they have first layer books.
for beginner books, if you're close to reading,
like me.
and chapter books or comic books, if you're really good at reading like me.
They also have baby books.